Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to change wallpaper on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, to change the wallpaper here, you have two ways to change it. The first one, you just have to open the settings page, and then in the settings we'll see here the wallpaper options. You just have to tap on it. To change it, you can choose the wallpaper from live wallpapers, the photos, or the wallpaper and style. Here I'm gonna choose the third one, and then you will see here the wallpaper that you can use by the device, yeah guys. And then the second way is to change the wallpaper here. You just have to tap and press for a second in this home screen like this, and you will see the pop-up. Then tap on the wallpaper options. The display will similar as before, you guys. So here I'm gonna choose the wallpaper from the device, click the more wallpapers, and then here's the wallpaper that you can use for your device or your phone. Here for the example, I'm gonna use this one, you guys. Now we can adjust it first, and after, if you wanna only change your lock screen, tap on this lock screen button. If you wanna change only your home screen, tap on this home screen button. But here I'm gonna tap on this set wallpaper, and I'm gonna choose home and lock screens for the wallpaper. And now we'll see this is the result, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.